the conditions of La ilaha illallah are 7. And this great scholar, 𝗪𝗵 𝘁 rahimahullah, he mentions those conditions in a few lines of poetry. He says, العلم واليقين والقبول والانقياد فادر ما أقول والصدق والإخلاص والمحبة وفقك الله لما أحبه. He mentions the 7 conditions. The first one is al-ilmu, knowledge. And what it means, knowledge is al-munafi lil-jahl, knowledge that eradicates and gets rid of ignorance. So you have knowledge of La ilaha illallah. The knowledge that you have eradicates and gets rid of ignorance. The second one is al-yaqinu al-munafi lil-shakki wal-rayb, certainty that removes and eradicates and gets rid of doubt and speculation. You're certain about it. And the third one is al-ikhlas, sincerity. Al-munafi lish-shakki wal-riya, ama lish-shirki wal-riya. Ikhlas, sincerity, that gets rid of what? It gets rid of ash-shirk wal-riya, showing off. And the fourth one is as-sidq, truthfulness. Al-munafi lil-kadhib, that gets rid of lying about when you say La ilaha illallah, that you actually genuinely mean it, and you're not lying about it. The fifth one is al-mahabbah, al-munafiyatu lil-bughd wal-kurh, love that gets rid of hate and rage. You love it. And number 6 is al-inqiyadu al-munafi lit-tark, submission and adherence that gets rid of a tark. You're not abandoning it. And last but not least, al-qabul, acceptance, accepting it. Al-munafi lil-rad, that gets rid of rejecting it.